everyone, today we are going to talk about 5 shocking habits of successful people. Alright, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much. We do know the most successful people in the world did not arrive here by accident. Truly successful people, whether they are millionaires or have just found their true life purpose and get to enjoy living it every day, are in that position for specific reasons, their habits. You can work and work and work at becoming successful until you are completely burned out. But if you don't develop the specific daily habits of successful people, it's unlikely you will ever get there. Therefore, I'm going to share 5 secrets of these successful habits. I hope you'll consider integrating them into your life. Successful people believe in themselves. If you're going to be successful in creating the life of your dreams, you have to believe that you are capable of making it happen. Believing in yourself is a choice. Successful people assume in favor of themselves and act as if achieving their goals is completely possible. Successful people set goals. Experts on the science of success have revealed that the brain is a goal-setting organism, and successful people know that if they give a goal to their subconscious mind, it will work night and day to achieve it. They set high goals that are both realistic and measurable, and they make an effort to work towards these goals every day. They go the extra mile. Successful people know that if they want to really excel in business, school, and life, they have to go the extra mile. They give the people around them, their customers, team, family, more than is expected, and in return, they are handsomely rewarded with loyalty, referrals, opportunity, and money. They don't focus on the what is in it for me policy. They don't put stock in whether something is fair or whether they will be compensated or recognized for more effort. Instead, they focus on exceeding expectation, paying extra attention to detail, and providing quality work above all else. They take action. Successful people know that the world does not pay you for what you know. It pays you for what you do. They make a point to create a vision, set goals, break them down into small steps, visualize and affirm their success, believe in themselves, and they don't get out of there. And then when you take action, you trigger all kinds of things that will inevitably carry you to success. You begin to learn things from your experience that cannot be learned from listening to others or from reading books, and you begin to attract others who will support and encourage you. They practice appreciation. Successful people know that when they show appreciation to the people in their lives, such as their employees, loved ones, or colleagues, they not only make these people feel better, but they themselves feel better and more successful. This is one of the biggest factors in how people become successful. The fact is, people are more likely to help you achieve your goals if they believe that you appreciate their efforts. There is no downside to this. Appreciation costs nothing, and no one has ever complained about being overappreciated. Alright guys, now keeping these 5 habits in mind, I want to leave you with a bit of homework to complete. Write down 2 of these habits that I listed above that you feel you can and you should incorporate into your day-to-day life. Thank you guys for watching.